I am here at Things from the Heart resale and I'm wanting to make a purse charm out of jewelry. Hi, I'm Janine. Thrifting and shopping secondhand has been a part of my life for the last 15 years, and I've been able to curate the wardrobe of my dreams over the years, as well as decorate my home by shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, consignment shops, the Goodwill outlet, and Facebook Marketplace. If you like secondhand outfit inspiration, upcycling, thrift flips, and home decor ideas, just keep watching to see Jane Thrift. They have a fantastic selection of jewelry right behind me, and I'm going to go take a look through everything. I have this handbag with me, and that is what I eventually want to have on here. It's essentially jewelry for your bag. They're really popular, but I want to thrift it and make it myself. Looking for like chains and charms. Ooh, here we go. That's perfect. Yes. That's cute too. Don't know if that's quite what I'm looking for. I may go back to that. That's a cute necklace actually. Ooh, look at this right here. Very cool little pendant. Ooh, here we go. Beautiful chain. That one. This is kind of cute. Has a little key in there. Things from the Heart is a shop that helps fund a charity that I am very close to. The Shepherd's Heart feeds thousands of local families by providing them with groceries. You can find out more about this amazing charity and the store at shepherdsheartpantry.org. This is everything that I found so far. I especially love this one. I don't know if that's going to actually end up in the bag charm or just wear it as is, but really nice selection. I feel like I want to find more color, so I'm going to look for some more beads with color. I also want to find like more charm type of things, so I'm going to dig through this little goodie basket, find all the little fun things. Ooh, what's this? I don't know what that is, but that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. I found these little earrings. Those are cute, and that definitely will add more color. And here we go. This is what I was looking for. These colorful beads. We're making a perfect color story here. I've got all my jewelry pieces laid out and I am ready to make my bag charm. I did decide that I'm going to keep this yellow fabric bead necklace just for wearing, and I decided to wear it featuring an entire outfit that I found at Things from the Heart. I love this star print top. It reminds me so much of a piece that I would make myself. I have featured these jeans before. I love the pleated detail and wide leg. And then I got these really cute star print espadrilles. Love them. I am wanting my bag charm to be about 20 to 22 inches long. So I have a tape measure to keep me going on that wavelength. And I also have some tools. I got some jewelry making pliers. I will leave a link for those in case you're interested. These are fantastic if you are a jewelry hobbyist or just like to have something on hand to be able to repair the jewelry that you have. And then I also have some little lock rings that I got. I actually ordered these for this project, and also some eye hooks and also some jump rings. I've gone ahead and opened up these necklaces that I just want to use as chain. And then I also took this beaded necklace apart. So I just have all of these individual beads to work with. Took the pendant off that and removed the hook from the earring, all of these little pieces from that one pendant necklace. So now I have all of these individual pieces to work with. I am removing the original clasps from both of the chain necklaces, opening up the lock clasps and stringing on the links of the necklaces onto the lock clasps on both ends. I've got everything all mapped out to where I want to place all of these little doodads. So it's time to attach them. Some of them already came with jump rings, so I'm just going to go ahead and reuse them. The ones where I need it, I'm going to use the ones here, and I love all the mixed metals. I've got silver, gold, antique gold, brass. I've got all of it and it looks so fantastic together. So let's get started. When it comes to these individual beads, I am using one of these eye hooks, sliding that on there, and then taking my round pliers, just bending that into a circle. Now I have something. I think I'm going to use the original circle there, take one of my jump rings, then take both of my pliers and just twist that a little bit till that opens. Go ahead and slide that in that little hook, then attach that to the chain where I placed it, and then twist it back closed with both of the pliers. And now we have our first bead that is attached, and I'm going to go around, and the ones that don't need the eye hooks, I'm just going to use jump rings. For this unique piece that I'm not sure what it is, I'm going to take my pliers and just cut this open, and I'm going to take advantage of this ring here in the chain and just tie it on. There we go, and I'm just going to snip off the excess, and there we have our second little piece. This bead right here actually just, when I put on the eye hook, it just slips right through because the hole is larger than this little loop. So what I'm going to do is add on a smaller bead onto the bottom. Add that on. Now that bead is not going to fall off, and I can go ahead with my loop at the top and attach it. It's really coming together nicely. I'm loving this, and I have several more to still add, but I wanted to show you this one charm where it is this floral, but I added what is the clasp for a necklace, and I'm going to attach it that way to there. And then you have this cute little charm that is detachable. As I was attaching all of the charms, I was holding up the chain to see how they were falling, and I did reevaluate where I wanted to place each one of the charms as I went along, and the entire process of assembly took me under 10 minutes. I'm all done attaching all of the little bits and bobs. I love this, and I can't wait to see what this looks like on the purse. All right, I am officially hooked on this whole bag charm trend. I love this. I love that I'm going to be able to use this on other bags. It is just so much fun. And I love that I was able to make this with thrifted items. Well, I hope that I have inspired you to make your own bag charm instead of buying it retail. You can find so many cool jewelry pieces at the thrift store that you can make totally your own. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe. I'm doing so many fun things, everything thrifted, everything secondhand, clothing, home. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.